Hello guys, welcome back to my channel as I bring to you another exciting journey of mine. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my
Hi
channel.
everybody. So once again we are back on the road and it's 4 a.m. We are heading for our new destination. We are going to see this place for the first time. Uh, be with us. This is about 7 hours journey from Mumbai, and as we get near the place, you'll get to know where we are going and what are the things to look at to see in that place and the local attractions. So keep watching. So guys, we are here at Club Mahindra Netrang. We have come for a short 2-day staycation, and this place is near the Statue of Unity. It's about 1.5 hours drive from here. So we are going to Statue of Unity. We'll show you how Statue of Unity is. I'm pretty excited. It's my first visit to Statue of Unity. Looking forward to it. And stay with us. We'll show you places to eat there and what are the rest of the things that we are going to do. Tomorrow we are planning to go to Surat and explore Surat a bit, eat Gujarati thali. So just stay with us and see how this trip goes. So right now we are at this car parking at Kevadia. This right next to the railway station of Kevadia. From here now we'll take bus to go to Statue of Unity. So whenever you come to Statue of Unity, you will park your car, which is about 5 kilometers away from Statue of Unity, and from here you will take a bus and go to Statue of Unity. So now we are at this bus stop. We have come in the bus from our car parking, and you can see right there is the Statue of Unity. This is around, I would say, 2 kilometers walk from the bus stop to the Statue of Unity. So now we are going to start our walk and go near the statue and take some clicks there. Just to let you know a little bit about Statue of Unity, this was, I think, built around 2019, and this is the tallest statue in the world. Well, it's a little far from city, but it's worth coming here and visiting this place. Guys, now we have checked out from Club Mahindra at Netrang. Now we'll be going to Surat, spending some time there, doing some shopping, having Gujarati thali, where I'm really looking forward to having that. And from there, then we'll leave for Bombay. This is as I told you earlier, this was a short staycation, just 2 nights. So see you soon in Surat.